to Service with Matt and Rich here at beautiful Fire Mountain Scout Camp. How you doing tonight, Matt?
I'm doing okay. How you doing tonight, Rich?
Man, I am living large. I am happy to be here. Well, I tell you what, we've had a busy start to this year, haven't we?
Yeah.
We haven't even had a service weekend yet.
Not yet, but we will.
We will? When's our first service weekend? When's our next service weekend gonna be?
It is next month, the second Saturday.
What date is that? You can't read it from here. Well, that would be the 12th.
The 12th.
Saturday the 12th. So for those of you who haven't got it on your calendar yet, mark it down. All right, all arrowmen are welcome. You know what? Bring a friend. We'll feed you lunch. It's time to knock the cobwebs off of camp and get it ready for another beautiful summer. But hey, the main reason we're here tonight, door prizes. We have got a wide bevy of door prizes to give out tonight. We want to thank everybody that participated in the sock drive. If you gave socks, you're in here. If you went to Winter Fellowship, you're in here. And we're going to start pulling numbers right away. All right, Matt, what are we pulling for? What's our first prize going to be?
Giant Kit Kat box over there. Let's pull out first.
The giant Kit Kat over here with a bracelet. Okay. Alrighty. And I have the first winner is, drum roll please. Logan Ferguson.
Really? All right.
All right, Logan.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Let's see. I think we should go for this lovely windproof thermal baklava and stylish bracelet, paracord bracelet, something every scout needs.
All right.
No peeking because your number's in there too.
It is in there.
Yeah, it is.
All right, I pulled.
What we got there? What do we got? Number 18. That would be Caleb Glenn. All right, congratulations, Caleb.
Congratulations.
All right, what are we working on next? We got some really cool stuff here on this table.
Like this BSA socks right there.
All right, every scout,
too, right?
every scout can use a collection of uniform socks and a BSA belt. Let's see, and that's going to go to admit one. Oh no, look on the back side. Number. Congratulations, Matt. Woo! You enjoy that this summer while you're working at staff, if you're going to staff again. You know what? We need more energy. So I think this wonderful 12-pack of Mountain Dew and 2 whole pounds of licorice will be our next prize. No peeky, no peeky.
And number 9.
Number 9, well, let's see. That would be Mark Wild. Imagine that. Well, imagine that, the 2 Wild boys side by side in the dark.
That is pretty funny.
All right, what are we doing for? Man, we got all sorts of cool stuff down your end. Let's do something down your end.
All right. What about these wonderful trekking poles right here?
Beautiful set of trekking poles. And do they come with paracord bracelets?
Ooh, they do come with paracord bracelets.
All right.
Nice and red too.
Let's see. I know those trekking poles have all different types of cups and tips and stuff, so they're usable in all sorts of terrain. And the lucky arrowman that receives that is Arrowman. Haha, Jacob Lycan. Congratulations, Jacob.
Jacob.
You know what's happening this year? This year's 50th anniversary of Fire Mountain Scout Camp. Do you know that?
I did.
Did you know that? It's 50 years of Fire Mountain. And I'll tell you, our very own Sven Gilkey has given us a beautiful 50 years of Fire Mountain swag pack that includes ball cap, sticker, pocket patch, keychain, and limited edition Fire Mountain 50 years shoulder pad.
Nice.
CSP. How special is that? I think we'll send that home with some lucky airman.
All right, let's see who that's going to be. Drop the bottom here. 6.
Did we do that one already?
Did we?
I don't know. Ooh, Josh Visaki. Congratulations, Josh.
He's gonna love that.
Yeah, he is. That is really cool. Whew, this is fun. I like giving away stuff. You know, I gotta mention that this was a wonderful idea that we had this sock drive and that we linked it up and we allowed the chapters opportunities to participate. But how about a shout out to all the folks that donated all of this?
Yeah, seriously. How many pairs of socks did we get?
We got well over 700, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. But I'm talking about these wonderful door prizes. I gotta tell you, we put the call out, and there are some people that came up and just, I mean, really helped us out. Like, even our brothers at the radio station, 92.9 KISM up in Bellingham, stepped up tall and helped us out. Brad and John, thank you much. Steve Glenn made a wonderful donation. Ken Devero, George Pine. If I've forgotten anybody, I'm sorry, but you know, Servmart stepped up and donated a whole bunch of this stuff. Mary Jo Bentari. Ooh, that's the next one we're gonna give.
I'm down.
So
who's pulling?
It's my turn to pull.
It's your turn to pull?
It's my turn to pull, but Mary Jo made this beautiful Seahawks bag. And the folks up at KISM donated that flag. Why don't we show off that flag a little bit there? Oh, there you go. For all you 12s out there. Let's see who we're gonna send that home with tonight. Darn admit one, number 18. Caleb Glenn. Congratulations, Caleb.
All right.
What else did Mary Jo give us?
Didn't she give us the brownies?
Yep. So, to this next winner, you will get a selection of handcrafted root beers, a beautiful color matching paracord bracelet, and a fresh baked gooey batch of brownies from Mary Jo Bentari. Our very own Miss Mary Jo.
All right.
Who's getting that yummy prize?
Number 4.
Number 4. Paul Rippinger.
All right.
Congratulations, Paul. So, what are we going to do? How are we going to give all these prizes to everybody?
I was thinking it'd be a good idea for us to give them to them up at Spring Gathering.
Well, you know, that would be a wonderful idea. So, when your name is called, and we'll reach out to you via email as well, you can come to Spring Gathering, which is when?
Well, I can't read that either.
You can't read that either? That happens to be the 18th to the 20th of March. So, again, service weekend on the 12th.
Which you should go to.
Which you need to come up, it's just a day. And then Spring Gathering, which I hear Ethan and his crew is putting together. It's going to be all sorts of fun at that. So come on up, collect your prizes. Imagine that. You can have your root beer and your brownies at Spring Gathering. Eating good in the neighborhood.
My turn.
Your turn.
Right.
Your turn to pick a prize.
You know, every sketch should have a knife.
Okay, we have got a couple knives on the table. Which one would we like?
Right there.
This one right here? This beautiful K-bar. Boy, check that puppy out. That is a beautiful K-bar locking knife. Any scout would be proud to have that. I know I sure would.
Oh yeah.
Let's see who gets it. By the way, George, thanks again for the donation of that wonderful knife. And thank the guys up at Hardcore Sales that made that possible. Ha ha ha! Good old number 19, Logan Ferguson.
Really?
Yeah.
All right.
Well, that's the second prize.
Yeah.
Gee. You know?
He's getting pulled a lot.
Well, he's getting, well, you know, there's a reason we might might hear number 19 in there just a little bit. Because, talk a little bit about Logan. Logan's not even an arrowman completely yet. Logan hasn't completed his ordeal yet. He was elected, and as a candidate couldn't make it to the last induction weekend. But he's still involved, and he's still engaged. And when his chapter had put out the call, he responded. Logan himself, Logan is responsible for donating 57 pairs of socks. Wow. 57. He is the single highest arrowman youth that donated socks. 57. So twice his number's been called. He's in there 55 more times. So the more you donate, the more chance you have to win. Alrighty. Let's do that wonderful mag light. We're gonna go for a mag. I got a beautiful mag light with a paracord bracelet.
This guy should have a flashlight too.
Yeah, that's right. One of the 10 essentials.
Number 17.
Number 17, Matthew Churchwood.
This one goes here.
Yeah, there we go. We'll put that one without, so we remember where everything goes.
Yep.
Okay, your pick. What's the next prize we're giving away? Excuse me, I dropped something here on the floor. We've got some lovely food gifts over here.
There's a lot of these today.
We've got a hoodie.
Ooh, let's do the hoodie.
Hoodie, okay.
Everyone loves hoodies.
That is a hoodie from the Oak Harbor Music Fest. You know, if you guys haven't come out to Oak Harbor in the fall, that was a wonderful weekend full of live music and entertainment, and it's free. So, that's a fun event. I happen to live there, so I get to see it quite a bit. And let's see. Alex D. Alex D, congratulations. You just won yourself a hoodie and a bracelet. Okay. Ooh.
Your turn.
Who likes music?
I like music.
I like music.
I love music.
Over here, I've got a set of earbuds and a smartwatch.
Really?
Yeah, well, they're not name brand, but, they make it work, right? Yeah, there we go.
I'm gonna shake this one extra hard.
Yeah, you do that. Remember, you still got your number in there.
I do.
Wouldn't be funny if you pulled your own.
That would be really funny. I'll try not to, though. Just in the spirit of competition.
Yeah, it's all in the whole spirit of scouting and all.
Number 17.
Number 17 is Matthew Churchwood again.
Close. Okay.
There you go. All right, Matthew.
Churchwood making out like a bandit.
Yeah, he is. Yeah, he is. Okay, what are we doing next?
What's this up here?
What's that up there?
Yeah.
That is a Write in the Rain notebook with a Write in the Rain pen and a paracord bracelet. Of course, every scout needs to take notes in the rain. You know, if you camp in the Pacific Northwest, it's gonna rain on you, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That was donated by the fine folks at Peninsula Services over in Oak Harbor. I happen to know a guy over there who made it easy. Let's see. Ooh, here's the section of the list we haven't come from. Okay, you're gonna have to help me with that one, number 15. My eyes are
Number
fading.
15. I don't know how to say the last
Zachary.
Zachary Carothers.
Yeah, Zachary Carothers. We butchered your name, we're sorry.
Yeah.
But at least you're getting free stuff.
Yes, but we are giving you things.
We are giving you something. I'll tell you what, let's do the other Write in the Rain notebook right next to it.
Works for me.
Okay?
Shake it up. This one.
You like that one?
Number 11.
Number 11 is Kai Leedy. Congratulations, Kai.
What's that?
There we go.
Outstanding review. Is one of those other things of root beer still?
Why, yes, we have another beautiful 4-pack of designer root beer and a stylish color coordinated paracord bracelet. That's what we're going with?
Yeah, let's pull that one.
Alright. Shake the bear can of destiny here. Reach in there. Mix them around real good. Lucky number 9 is your brother Mark. So Mark Wiles for that one.
Alright, what's next?
Oh, say can you see? How about a beautiful pair of Bushnell binoculars?
Ooh, I'm down.
You're down?
Do
Okay.
that one. Some up. And this one. Number 9. That is really funny.
Yeah. Yeah. That would be Mark again. Guys, you can't make this up. You cannot make this up.
Yeah, this has been one take. And you can see the number. What we're pulling next.
Okay, we're gonna take a quick break and get a little something to drink because I'm getting a little dry. We'll be back in just a moment.
Hello, my name is Sam Taylor, and I have the honor of serving as your 2022 Section G15 Chief. For well over a century, the International Olympic Games have brought the world together for the pinnacle of athletic competition and a shared celebration of humanity. For over a century, the Order of the Arrow has brought the scouting world together to give cheerful service to our camps and communities and to grow as leaders, united as one brotherhood. The OA has a lot in common with the Olympics. Both recognize the best in their respective fields, the best athletes and the best scouts. The Olympics began with the lighting of a torch. Our journeys in the OA began with the ignition of a single spark within us. The spark is there, already glowing, we are told at the start of our journey. These parallels are exactly why your Council of Chiefs chose the Lodge Olympics, Igniting the Flame, as the theme for our 2022 Section Conclave, hosted by our brothers in Tecopaquisque's Lodge at Camp Parsons, September 16th through 18th. Conclave is one of my favorite events, not only because it brings together airmen from across the 5 lodges in our section, but because it's a chance to see old friends, make new ones, and have a lot of fun. There's a variety of activities, lodge competitions, seminars, and shows at Conclave, but they all have that same purpose of connecting us to other airmen and helping us build our brotherhood. Conclave is a great time, and I can't wait to see you in September at Camp Parsons for Conclave. I won't just see you at Conclave, but also throughout the rest of the year at your lodge events. Thank you, and see you soon.
You know, we're gonna have all that to do. Oh, hey, welcome back, guys. Hope everybody had a good break. Matt and I are just sitting here chit-chatting about what's coming up on our service weekend, which is Saturday the 12th. Weekend after that, just a reminder, spring gathering, 18th to the 20th. Why is spring gathering so important, Matt?
Aren't we having our lodge annual business
It
meeting?
is the Lodge Annual Business Meeting. What happens at the Lodge Annual Business Meeting besides the Lodge's business for the year? What do we do? You don't, we elect new Lodge leadership.
Right, we do.
Oh yeah. Forgot. So, we need you, our fellow airmen, to come out to sign up for the Lodge annual business meeting at the spring gatherings. You can go to the Lodge website, click on the link, take you right to the Google form, sign you up, go, you know, if you got your Octipass, it's already paid, you don't have to worry about it, and come on out, because only you, if you're a youth, can vote for Lodge leadership. Us old guys like me, all we do is we sit around and drink coffee while you guys are having your business meeting. So, chapter leadership,
Lodge leadership.
Lodge executive committee, all those positions are up for grabs. You want to make a change, spread your wings, try a new leadership role, now is the time to do it. So go to the Lodge website. We're bringing a note. We can't read it from here.
What is it? So, the Octipass.
Oh yeah. What is the Octipass?
The Octipass is sort of like a season pass for lodge events. So spring gathering, winter fellowship, summer and fall reveal, right? Those are the two.
Everything except for the Vigil Weekend.
Everything except for Vigil Weekend.
So you prepay your participation in all those events. And where does one get an Octipass?
Store online, right?
Online trading post. You can find a link to that at the Six Mox website, which is right off the section website.
Side note, even though you sign up for an Octipass, you still have to sign up for each event so that you know you're coming, because we do have to buy food for you.
Yep.
So you don't have to pay then because you already paid.
Yeah, please let us know you're coming so we don't upset the cook. We don't want to upset the cook. Alrighty, I guess we got a few more prizes to give away, don't we?
Who was?
I don't know. You can pick again.
Alright, I like that water bottle, right?
Which one? This one right here?
Right? Yeah.
Beautiful Camelback water bottle, steel water bottle, military grade. By the way, that is a military grade water bottle. Yes. And let's see. We don't want to pull your brother again.
Yeah, let's try not to.
Okay, I'll try not to.
It would be really funny though.
That would be funny. Not for everybody else.
Not for anybody else, but it would be extremely funny to me. Don't tell me.
No, it's not him. But of all people, our very own staff advisor for the lodge and Fire Mountain Scout Camp director, Mr. Sven Gilkey.
Nice.
Congratulations, Sven.
Well, out of all people, I think he'd have the best use for it.
Well, you know, hydrate or die, right?
Not a threat.
It's a promise. Alrighty, hey, keep it on the Camelback theme. Why don't we go right on to this multi-bev, this beautiful, ultimate, mother of all water bottles. One of my personal faves.
Alright, let's see who gets one. This one. Number 11.
Number 11, Kai Leedy.
Right.
Congratulations, Kai.
Next.
Let's see, what do we got left?
Just throw that knife up there.
We've got a beautiful Damascus steel knife. Boy, I'll tell you what, would you look at the beauty. Look at that guy. Yeah, no, we're not giving this one.
Just kidding.
Okay, just kidding, yes. You're gonna let me draw for it, huh?
Well, yeah. It's only fair.
It's only fair. It's only right. Where have I heard that before? Hey guys, before I pull this number, let me tell you what happened earlier today. I got to spend the day up here in the beautiful Eagle's Nest up at Fire Mountain taking this little class called Polestar. Let me tell you, when you get an opportunity to take it, guys, get on it. It was the most enlightening thing I have taken in the OA in years. It talks about the whole induction process from unit election all the way up through brotherhood and how it all relates to one another. Oh my goodness, what a beautiful time well spent. You need to take it.
I do.
Yes, you do. Okay, so that's it. Look for Polestar coming to a lodge event near you. All right, enough said. Here we go. For the knife, the beautiful knife. Ooh, a number we haven't pulled before. Ginger Sherb. Ooh, congratulations, Ginger. One of our newest members, too. Okay, we need to give away some goodies here. How about this beautiful Monster Reese's? Boy, I like that. Holy, how much does this weigh?
Does it? I think it looks huge.
It's a pound.
A pound?
A pound of Reese's peanut butter cups.
Good lord.
Yeah.
Is that a 3? Looks like 3.
That looks like, yep, that is a 3. 3, 3, 3. Ah, Jacob Lycan. Congratulations, Jacob.
Okay, so what's next?
So we got a KISM t-shirt, we got a headlamp, we got a speaker, and we got another 2-pound package of licorice.
Alright, so my pull next?
Your choice.
My choice next. like a t-shirt. Let's do that.
The KISM t-shirt, courtesy of Brad and John up in Bellingham, guys. I met them, we worked on a toilet paper drive together and it was a blast. That's the wonderful thing about toilet paper. It's one of those things that you forget about, but when you need it, boy, you need it. Alrighty. Lucky number 7.
7.
Connor Simmons. Congratulations, Connor. Okay, I'm gonna stick to the last thing I have on my end of the table, which is a 2-pound pack of licorice.
That is a lot of licorice.
That is it'll bind you, well, yeah. And a paracord bracelet.
Alright.
The paracord bracelets, by the way, were donated by our very own council president, Stephen Davis.
Number 19.
Number 19 again, Logan. When you donate 57 pairs of socks, you get lots of entries.
True.
Okay, 2 items to go.
We'll save the we'll do the headset. We're gonna do the headset. The headlamp.
The Lux Pro 300 lumen headlamp and paracord bracelet. 300 lumens, by the way, guys, is a pretty bright light, so you'll find your way into darkness there. All right. Last but not least, Mr. Henry Edge. Congratulations, Henry, our Salem chapter chief. Here you go. You want to put that with it?
I do.
And that means I get to pick the last item we get to draw for.
Yeah.
And I think that's going to be that USB speaker.
Ooh, nice.
Donated by Brent Richards.
Bluetooth.
A Bluetooth speaker.
Nice. All right, last name.
Yeah, USB, Bluetooth. It's all that computer stuff. What do us old guys know?
Drum roll, please. Okay. Number 13.
Number 13 is Gabe Ellerson. Congratulations, Gabe. Well, guys, that concludes all the prizes we have. But before we go, we're going to take a quick break and reset. And then I'd like to talk to you about the socks that you donated that what got us here tonight. Hey, guys. Hey, real quick, we'd like to introduce Mr. Sven Gilkey, our staff advisor and Fire Mountain Scout Camp director. Welcome, Sven. Welcome to the Eagles Nest. Welcome to Service with 6 Box.
Hello, Rich. How are you guys doing tonight?
We are finer than frog here, let me tell you, brother. So what brings you up here this fine evening?
Well, I live here.
You live here? Well, I think your wife may have a different opinion of that, but well, maybe not. But I hear you were doing some interviews today for
Yes.
Fire Mountain Scout Camp staff.
Jolene and I were interviewing a few scouts for Fire Mountain staff for this summer. We also spent most of the day cleaning up the admin building and finding homes for all of the little things that seem to crawl into the place.
So this video is going to go out to all the airmen. Is there anything you have something you'd like to say to them? Maybe.
Well, I would like to say that the Order of the Arrow, as you probably already know, was founded in a scout camp during summer by the camp staff at Treasure Island as a way for scouts to give back to the camp, to be part of a stronger community. The other side of that coin to the Order of the Arrow is being on camp staff. Being out here, giving back to our fellow scouts, putting on a great program for the summer. So if an arrowman is out there and is interested in participating at that level, giving selflessly for 8 great, glorious weeks of their summer here at Fire Mountain, I would highly recommend going to mountbakerbsa.org and applying to be on camp staff this summer.
And I can tell you, as a Fire Mountain Scout Camp alumni member, it is the best job you'll ever have as camp staff.
I'm glad wearing my camp staff shirt right
Hey,
now.
look
There
at
you
that.
go.
There you go. The best job you can ever have as camp staff, and the best position is in the kitchen, right?
Amen, brother.
Where the food comes from, indeed.
All right, thanks. Thanks, Ben.
Thank you, Rich. Thanks, guys.
Well, that was fun, huh?
That was.
Giving away all those prizes, that was something great. And guys, we couldn't have done it without you. But more importantly, this is what I'd like to take a few minutes and talk about. These socks right here. You know, we're all fortunate. We're all scouts. We've been there. We've had those wet, cold days out on the trail. And we all know what a blessing it is to get in camp, put on them clean, dry socks, and relax around a warm fire, or at the end of a weekend, you know, go home and, you know, mom's got clothes for us and we're ready to relax and we're all nice and warm. You know, sad part is there's a lot of people in our world today that don't have that opportunity. And that's why we did this. We're partnering with the Skagit Friendship House here in Mount Vernon in the Skagit Valley. They run a number of shelters. They work with the homeless population here in Skagit Valley. They offer job training and employment opportunities for some of these folks. And one of the biggest needs they have is clean, dry socks. Could you imagine being on the street with nowhere to live and you don't even have dry feet? That makes things pretty miserable.
Yeah.
But because of your generosity, I'm gonna get a chance to go over and see the coordinator, Jen, and give her all these beautiful socks. We got socks for men, we got socks for women, we got socks for kids, we got socks for days. We got over 700 pairs of socks. You realize that's over 1,400 feet? 1,400 warm, cozy feet? Yeah. And like we said earlier in the broadcast, we had one youth that donated 57 pairs himself. So kudos to that youth. We look forward to great things from that young man to come. We also put out a bit of a challenge, didn't we?
We did put on a bit of a challenge.
What challenge was that, Matt?
Well, that was to see which chapter would donate the most socks.
So I'm supposing you guys want to know. So what are we going to do for the chapter that donated the most socks?
Well, we're going to provide a pizza party.
We're going to provide a pizza party, that's it. We'll be reaching out to the chapter chief and the chapter advisor in that chapter, and we're going to schedule a time when Matt and I can come to you with pizza and sodas, and the winner of that is Sele. So congratulations, Sele chapter in the North Cascades district for a donation of 303 pairs of socks.
That is a lot of socks.
That is, well, not only is that a lot of socks, that's 2 more pairs. It's decided by 2 pairs. 2 pairs!
2 pairs!
And no, it wasn't a fix because I got to donate last. That wasn't a thing. I didn't donate last.
We just wouldn't do that.
We just wouldn't do that. But yeah, it was donated by 2. So congratulations to everybody that participated. Thank you all for this. Matt, thank you for helping coordinate this throughout our lodge.
Thank you.
Everybody that donated will get some hours credit for service. So please continue to, as the admonition teaches us, to love one another and show that for our fellow man. And God bless everyone and good night.
Good night.